Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in the previous video we learned how to compare between two branches, and in this video we will learn how to compare with commits. So to do that, let's click on commit and it will show us all list of all commit that we did. So for example, let's click on this change commit, or this change A, and here it shows us let's say split to be more visible. So now this is the commit, this is the commit or change the change A or change the anchor. So this commit is basically this, and this its previous commit or the commit before it. So now it gives us, or it shows the comparison between the both, and it tells us that here in this green line is the line that's being added, and here with the minus sign it tells us that this line is deleted. So basically this commit, it's this change A, the one we click on it, and this it's the one before it. And here we can see the comparison between them, or the change that we did in those two commits. And here with this plus that it's appear, we can leave a comment. For example, if we are chief of the project and we see the comparison between those two commits and we didn't understand why, for example, he changed this from project me to Git and GitHub. So we can basically go in here, click on that plus, and here we can say, for example, leave our comment or our question: why did you change that? And git add single comment, and it will be commented and it will be appear to this developer who committed, so that he can answer me after he see the question. So now let's go back and see the list of the commit. Go back to commit. Yeah, and here we see that there is a discussion in here. So let's copy this ID, click on that sign, and normally it will be copied. After that, click on pull request. Let's create a new pull request. And here I can make a comparison between branch or tags or even commit. So now because I copied the ID of commit, I will compare this branch master or the last commit of this branch with our commit that we copied. So if we hit paste, click on this, and it will show us it must be some I didn't copy the ID well. So basically, yeah, the ID is the same, but let's change the master. For example, let's click on example. Let's compare between and it's also nothing to compare with. Click on dev, and nothing to compare with. So basically everything is up to date. But if we have, for example, another branch and we did some update or some modification, it will be appearing here just like it appeared from the pull request between the two branches, with thing that we add here and thing that we remove in here. So this is all for this video. See you soon.